So I got this box from Sample OK. It's a company that has subscription services which help nonprofits. You buy a box or a subscription of Oklahoma-made goodies. Either they have coffee box or a snack box or a doggy box. This one has got all chocolate stuff in it. So it's got some bonbons and some fudge and some protein bars. And this is like a vegan chocolate. And we've got some Bedre, which of course Chickasaw owns, peppermint bark. And, but what this one is a salted caramel hot chocolate bomb. And they're from Sweet Temptations, which is in Choctaw. I already ate the chocolate covered Oreos the other day and they were amazing. But I thought I'd try this one out with you guys. Have you tried one of these? You put it in here and then you pour hot water over it. And like I say, so eating yummy chocolate, but then also helping, in this case, the Single Parent Support Network, which you guys might remember I wrote a book for them a couple of years ago. I think this is supposed to kind of open up. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to share with you the opportunity to go. It's Sample OK, and I love to, you know, help people out and then also maybe get a treat while you're doing it. So, oh, wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. I didn't expect that. Well, super fun. So there you go. Sample boxes from Sample OK.